Hello guys, this is the first course I'm going to create about ETABS and software. In this lesson, I call it the lesson 0 or the session 0. We are going to only know why ETABS, why we should learn ETABS. If you are a civil engineer or you are going to become civil engineer and you like to design and analyze the structures and create some beautiful building and structures, you need to at least learn how to work with ETABS. What is the difference between ETABS and SAP? Some of you asked why we should learn ETABS, not SAP. The SAP is for more specific buildings like trusses, or the buildings has something unique. But ETABS is for the buildings with not a unique structure, with easy and fast to build structure. What we do in this course and what we should happen. I think this course is gonna take about a year to be completed. I'm gonna to teach you everything from creating a model from scratch or creating a model from your architecture CAD. Everything I'm gonna tell you how to do them. Okay, in this course, the first thing we are gonna learn is to create an easy structure. I think it's a building with 2 floors only, and learn how to design it and how to analyze it and optimize the building structures and the thing it has. This course is only good for civil engineers who gonna work in structures, in the councilors, or in another ways. Okay, at first we are going in course to show you the Excels you need for creating and designing structures, the AutoCAD plans that you need, and the ETABS plan that you need. We are gonna to create, I think, 6 complete building in this course, from easy to very, very hard. You don't need to be worried. We learn it by ourselves. Okay, this is just easy information for you about this project. Now let's learn a little about ETABS. We need ETABS for creating our structures. We need SAFE for creating our foundations, and we can analyze and design them solely by themselves. Okay, let's create an easy model this lesson. On create new model. Wait a little. It asks us for something we don't need to learn them. I teach you everything in exact information in the next lesson with a projects. I'm gonna make one lesson each week, but if you want and like this course, if you resist, I will make a lesson per day for the ones who like. It's from the attitude toward the course. Okay, let's create, for example, a waffle slab. Okay, wait a little. As you can see, it create the model, the 3D model and the 2D model. We will learn how to create it from the scratch or from the models that we have. We're gonna learn everything. Okay, for now, in this lesson, I'm gonna teach you how to install and use SAP. For downloading SAP, you just go. Sorry for the cut, my net isn't working well. I fixed it. We go to the CSIamerica.com and we download the ETABS. Here is the good information about the ETABS. We go here, sales. We go to products. As you can see, it's CAD, Revit, Code, Plant, Platform, SAFE, ETABS, Bridge. We go to ETABS. And we can buy it from here. But if you are an engineer in companies, the company bought the ETABS, you don't need to buy it. and because it is very expensive, it also has the trial that you can use. The ETABS trial, that email it sent you, I think it's about 7 days or 30 days. It gives you a 30 days trial for using it. But if you are a civil engineer in an academy or university or in the company, the company has this computer structure and say you can ask them for give you permission to use them. Okay, we go here and download the ETABS from here. I didn't log in by my account, but you can just send your email address and submit. It gave you the ETABS with 30 days trial. You can use it, but don't try to use it by multiple images. It's not good. It's not professional for engineers. Okay, you come here and download this, and after downloading, we go here. In here, we can design and do what the things are, structure need. I don't tell anything more. If you like the course, I will be happy to know your comments and your ideas. We are going to create this course 1 lesson per week. I think each lesson gonna take 15 minutes, lesser than 15 minutes, or I will make them 3 lessons each week, some of 15 minutes. I think for 40 lessons or 80 lessons it will take to create all the projects. But after 10 or 15 lessons, you know the things that you need to create a project. The things we give you after that are the things you need to be professional in ETABS. Have a good day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm sorry if my voice is bad or I had to cut the video in the middle. Have a good day.